Hi, my name is Ron Oliver Clarin, CEO and founder of ROC.ph Digital Marketing Services. Isa akong mentee na Negosyo Mentor Me program ng Batch 1 Cavite last 2016. So that time, I'm very young pa that time.
Wow.
And then, to the process of negosyo, and now a mentor na for more or less 3 years. It's like parang giving back na from the learnings that we have before, the learnings from my business, and sharing din as a main goal din ng advocacy ko. So, yung tinatanong nila ako na paano ba magnegosyo kung introverted ako. I'm also introverted. They always call me introverted marketer. When you talk to me, normally tahimik lang ako. Pero when we doing mentoring, sobrang daldal ko na kasi really want to help you to grow or to start your business. Okay, so in the series of having as a mentee, I feel that it is honor din and privilege din na mag-give back ko din yung naranasan ko as a mentee during way back 2016. And ngayon na nagme-mentor na ako ng hundreds or almost thousands of entrepreneurs. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam and marami rin tayo natutulungang mga MSMEs. I would like to invite you to be part of this community of entrepreneurs to join with us. Ika na!
Kasama ang lahat ngayon, wala nang iwanan. Bawat isa ngayon sa atin ay magtutulungan.